Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your country in eFootball. So basically you can go on extras and you can go on versus user information and click on user detail. From over here it's going to show you your country. So my country is Nepal. So if I click on it, it's not going to show me any option because once you set a country when you open your eFootball for the first time, you cannot change it. So the only way to change it is to do this. So since the mobile version is only the trial version of eFootball, you don't have any account created when you're playing eFootball. So in this case, the thing which you can do is just close eFootball. Once you close eFootball, you want to delete the eFootball app from your phone. Once you delete the eFootball app from your phone, all of your data of your eFootball is going to be stored on your phone. So those data is also going to be deleted. So now what you need to do is go on App Store and re-download eFootball. Once you re-download eFootball and reopen eFootball, it's going to ask you to select new name and new country and region. And during that time, you can change your country or region of eFootball. So that is the only way. So I hope you understand how you guys can change your country or region in eFootball. It's by deleting it and reinstalling it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.